Need to create a deposit account but not sure where to start? Setting it up correctly in AutoCount helps you record deposits accurately. You can watch this video to understand it step by step.
So first of all, we create a new account code called deposit. So create new account code is GL, account maintenance, and then we select the current liability. You go select the current liability, and then you press the current liability, and then you press this button, and cash deposit button, and then you choose deposit. Here actually the deposit will automatically default current liability. Like if you select bank, it's default current asset. So but you still can switch out if you want. Customer deposit is current liability, and the account number for customer deposit 450, and description is customer deposit. So after keying the detail, then we save this transaction.
Do you want to learn more about operating AutoCount? We have several ways to help you. If you want to learn AutoCount system more systematically, we have classroom training, online training, and one-to-one teaching. But if your schedule is packed, you can also choose our e-learning courses. As long as you have time, you can log into our website and learn the AutoCount system at your convenience. But if you are not sure which option suits you best, you can message me privately and I can give you some advice. Thank you, everyone.